Hi everyone, thanks for joining me for another Stella Social Hour. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Stella Rosa Spritz. It's refreshing and bubbly and very easy to make. All you're going to need is Stella Rosa Imperiale Prosecco, Aperol, club soda, and an orange wedge. Let's get started. I'm just going to fill this glass about 2/3 of the way with Stella Rosa Imperiale Prosecco. I'm going to add an ounce of Aperol. Then we're going to top it off with some club soda. Give a little stir, and then garnish it with an orange wedge. And that's it, the Stella Rosa Spritz. Keep Stellabrating.